Good afternoon, this is Schweitzer. We're going to run a practice, or I should say a unknown acid lab titration. So doing a titration, I have a beaker set up here, and I have a burette full of base. All right. A few things you'd want to know before solving this problem is the known. The known is the base. It is NaOH and NaOH, and it has a concentration of 0.1 moles per liter. And then the unknown is 19 milliliters. I have 19 milliliters of the unknown. That's pretty much all I'm going to really tell you about that. And the starting volume is 3.5 milliliters on my burette, so I will give this to you here. 3.5 milliliters is my starting on my burette. Okay, I'm going to start adding the base. I do need to add in a couple of drops of phenolphthalein or it will never change colors, and this will be a disappointing experience. So start adding in. Start watching for signs of pink, occasionally stirring. Seeing a very light pink at the entry point, but nothing really too much yet. A little more pink sticking around, a little longer. We're now down to, I'll get about 15 milliliters in there, I think. Okay, let's let it go. Maybe don't worry about the volume till then, all done. Just worry about this change in color here. And you'll see it's starting to change color, and I might want to do a little stir here just to kind of keep it moving. Alright, so getting a little bit more. I'm going to turn it off and do a little stir here. Make sure we're doing alright. And I might slow down my amount that I'm adding right now to half that speed maybe. I'm getting closer. And the pink sticks around a little longer until I stir it. And it goes away. And I just get in there. Okay, and the volume sticks around a little bit. I'm close. And at that point, I would be pretty comfortable with being there at that point, but I'll add a few more drops just to kind of, there we go. And the pink sticks around for quite a while. And my new volume, it may go away eventually, but new volume is going to be 34.0. 34.0. Okay. 34.0. And your task is determine the concentration of the unknown. Concentration of unknown in this case, acid. All right, thank you very much.